to complete our expansion station wiring, we have here the wire that came from the 12-channel expansion. It's shielded wire. We didn't terminate the drain wire at the other end, but on this end we do have the drain actually going to the terminal for ground. That's marked on the board as GND, which might be a little hard to see, but maybe I can get a little there. And then the other two terminals, which are data plus and data minus, we have an expansion station already on here, but we added another, both the D pluses to the first terminal, then the D minuses to that second one. We used red for D plus and red and black for D minus on our expansion station, so that's what we did over here as well. And again, the cabling going between the two boxes would be kept away from the AC lines.